Hello and welcome all of my friends to today's video. As many people on our channel want to know about the different abilities of animals and their characteristics, so today we thought to making an animal fight video. So today we are going to talk about a battle between python versus alligator. I remind you to watch the video till the end to know all the facts, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and tap on the bell icon for all notifications. So without further ado, let's move on to the video. First, I give you some basic facts about alligators. Only two species of these sneaky predators still cruise the rivers, lakes, and swamps of the world. When an alligator rests with its jaws closed, only its upper teeth are visible. The American alligator can grow up to 11.2 feet long and weigh nearly half a ton. But the Chinese alligators are smaller, growing to around 4.6 to 4.9 feet long and usually weighing only around 50 pounds. Alligators use water to hunt. On land they may look awkward, but in water they can swim very quickly using their tails. This makes it easier for them to catch prey. American alligators can swim up to 20 miles per hour and run on land as fast as 11 miles per hour. Now let me tell you about our opponent, python. Python are a type of reptile. This means that they are covered in scales, hatch from eggs, and most importantly are cold-blooded. Pythons are non-venomous snakes. They don't use venom to catch their prey. Instead, they belong to the group of snakes called constrictors. These snakes latch onto their prey and coil around them, slowly squeezing the air out of them until they die. They then swallow their prey whole, starting with the head. They do this so that the limbs of their prey do not get stuck in their throats. They eat them. Even in the wild, pythons are one of the longest living species of snakes. Pythons that they feed on cold-blooded prey don't have the labial pits. Regardless of length, pythons are bulky of their size. They have triangular shaped heads and sharp backward curving teeth that they use to grab prey. Pythons have different diets depending on their size. When the prey dead, pythons slowly open their jaws and swallow the prey whole head first. Once the meal is consumed, pythons rest in a warm place while they digest. So, what can you say from what has been said so far? It is very clear that both of these two have a lot of characteristics and abilities to catch their prey. Also, if there is a fight between these two, it is clear that will be a very tough battle. My personal opinion is that python has the highest winning ability out of these two predators. Compared to alligator with python and its ability to catch prey, I think you will agree with me. So, if you would like to watch valuable videos like this, subscribe to us and we stop the video today. We end the video here by remind you to stay tuned with us. Have a nice day and stay safe all, and see you again in next interesting video.